Over one of the meditations, when he puts you in the floor, at the floor, and when you kind of drift, I got this image of my past that was really, really huge for me. So I was abused when I was a children by my grandfather. And in this scene where I'm in this scene in the room with him, and my mom opens the door. She sees me and she closed the door. And I was so angry. Like, I was very, very angry. I couldn't believe that she knew and she didn't do anything. It was a memory. The memory came to me like I was there in the room again. And I see this, and it really, really hit me, because at the moment my mom had a month that she was being diagnosed with vocal cord cancer. So I was kind of course, this is why. She never said a thing. And, well, I can't imagine what that was for her, but certainly it was something, because she had the cancer, and I was so mad that I couldn't stay there. So I was like really, really, really angry. I don't know. And I need to move. And I ran through the hotel to the beach, and I ran and I ran and I ran till I was so tired that I couldn't run anymore. And I was, of course, sobbing. And I felt and I was crying, and suddenly I realized that I have already forgiven my grandfather. So that it might be time to forgive my mom too. So, and there was nothing that she could have done, that she could do right now, or there's not a point of having an issue with her at this point of my life. So I decided that I was going to forgive her, and that at that time I was completely aware that you create reality. So past, present, and future, doesn't matter what it is. So I was sure that I could, by forgiving her, I was sure that I could create a reality where she didn't have cancer. In one of the meditations, when you're creating your future, I created a future where my mom didn't have cancer. And I the walking meditations becoming true forgiveness for her. And she had a PET scan after that event, a month later from that event, and suddenly she had nothing. So it worked. Our relationship has completely changed. Like, she's very loving to me. I am still learning to be loved by her, but she's really loving to me, and I really have forgiven her, like really. I am very open to build. We're building a new relationship.